Retired Major General Jovito Palparan said he went into hiding because of a threat so massive he preferred to be in control of his security rather than leave his fate to authorities. He quotes the New People's Army as saying he's a, quote, dead man walking.
May problema ako sa security. No, malaki yung threat. I think alam naman ninyo, alam ng media. In public, may pronouncement sila na pag-retire ko pa lang, nakabanner na sa Enquirer by NPA na Palparan dead man walking. I cannot really assure myself na secured ako. Alam mo yung threat, yung threat sa akin is so massive.
Palparan says he did not attempt to resist arrest. He says he would be willing to be jailed anywhere that is safe from the enemy.
Ang worry ko actually sa mga ganyan, kung mayroong kasamang nervyoso, and I could like to congratulate the NBI na wala namang nervyoso, na basta-basta na lang nagpapuputok. But in some incidents kasi ng arresting, mayroon yung gagamit ng unnecessary violence. So wala naman, so I'm still alive and I'm thankful for that. The arrest was proper.
Hindi nyo na naisip magtago, sir, or wala?
Hindi. Basta ako at the time, sabi ko nga sa mga kasama ko, if there will be an arrest, hindi ko kailangan ang counter or protection. I'll give up myself. 4 days, 3 days ago, parang nararamdaman ko na basa na ako sa lugar. Pero na wrong timing na ako. May nahuli lang ako.
He says he is worried for his health and will undergo a health exam. Palparan claims all evidence against him were lies. He says his accusers from the left are very good at fabricating evidence.
Meron po ba kayong pakiyag doon sa mga nag-a-accuse sa inyo?
Hindi totoo yan. Kasi ang dami nilang manufactured na evidence, no? So, kawawa yung isang sundalo na tinuro lang nila dahil ginawang security ko, additional security noon ng request ko, tinuro lang nung isang witness na kasama daw yun. Then, nakulong na hanggang ngayon. So, walang kaalam-alam yung tao. Ganon sila pag nag-manufacture ng evidence or witnesses. Yan ang example ng how untruthful, how they are doing it